In this video I will show you how to edit sunset preset using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password that appears in the upper right corner as a card. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Plus 0.30 for exposure. Contrast to plus 10. Highlights bring to minus 100. Shadows to plus 70. White to minus 100. Black to plus 70. Go to curve and follows the steps. And done. Next go to color. Temperature to plus 10. Minus 10 for vibrance. And saturation to minus 15. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to plus 20. Saturation to minus 10. Next go to orange. Hue to minus 5. Saturation to minus 20. And luminance to minus 10. Next go to yellow. Hue to minus 40. Saturation to minus 20. and luminance to -10. Next go to green. Saturation to -40. Next go to aqua. Hue to -20. Saturation to -20. Next go to blue. Hue to -50. Saturation to -60. And done. Now go to color grading. Bring the hue to 15 and saturation to 12 of highlights. Hue to 30 and saturation to 10 of shadows. And balance to -50. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +10. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.